Big up yourself. One more again upon them again. You understand? Yes, man. I want to say, big up my wife. You understand? Yeah, enough love and respect. You understand? Just the whole haircut. You understand? Because you know, for more day, I just wash it out. I beat up and all them things. You see me, I say? You see, for my Christmas day, I drink some sardine, you understand? Yes, man, I make the team jolly up and thing, man, you see me? Yeah, man, so I want to say, big up, wish my wife here. Today I drink some sardine with me and thing, you know? Yes, man. So, I want to send enough love and respect to all the people, them. You understand? All this will ear cut off from my wife, just see the beauty. I'm just kidding. But I don't know. You understand? Peace out. Enough love. Big up my fans. Tomorrow Christmas my fans and me I say enough love and respect. Okay? Boom. Shout out. Gaza. One word, one link, one love. Peace. Love my wife. Big up.